Oh, yeah. Well, the one before was very fancy.
It's very beautiful piece, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Wow.
Measure the beauty in the light. How it look? Bill lagana dippa.
Oh, got the lights coming out.
Yes.
Oh, wow. What do I do? I set it on top?
Yeah. Now you can see the detail on it.
Wow.
See the center, the beautiful, the lotus on it.
Mm-hmm.
There's the carbon, the clear flat. And the best part of this, then you spot the light on it.
The
That
sparkle.
have sparking, a blondish shell. And that is here with mother of pearl, the shape of the Taj Mahal dome.
Mm.
And they have all the stones from the Taj Mahal with the beautiful flower with the red cornelian. And those are the tiny leaves are here. This is not the one stone. This piece have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece in the smaller leaves.
Wow. Wow.
Cloud them, yeah? One with the peacocks, one with the bird, an alien.
Those roses are really pretty. Which one? The red one?
The other one, that one.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah.
One more piece and same family.
This is all one family that makes this, you're
Yes,
saying?
ma'am.
They make all the flowers.
Yes, ma'am.
I see.
This is the one, ma'am. The
Oh,
red.
yeah.
This one all the I think. Yeah, this all the bird.
Okay, okay.
Peacock. Parrot.